My reason why I bought the Viewsonic monitor was because of the price to performance. You are getting an IPS 144Hz 1ms display monitor for only 15,000 pesos or $300. That's a reasonable price to pay for that kind of specs. On other brands, it can cost up to 20,000 and some even up to 30,000 when you're paying for the RGB version because RGB makes everything better. My first choice was a Epson gaming monitor, 30-inch 2K resolution with a 200Hz display. It's a widescreen, 21 to 9 inch. It's pretty big and pretty worth it for the price. But I want to use my monitor for a long time and I'm not going to risk any issues with it. They may have a 18-month warranty but it's still not enough. My second choice was a Nexus Hydra 27-inch gaming monitor. I didn't go with this one, I remember, because it's not an IPS panel and just by adding 2,000 I'm getting a more decent brand. Viewsonic is more reliable compared to Nexus Hydra. So the only two choices I have left that is pretty reasonable was a LG 29-inch ultra-wide monitor that has an IPS panel. It's considered as an productivity monitor since it's an ultra-wide. You can place many tabs on it. But I didn't go with this choice since from what I've read, the height is just the same as a 24-inch monitor. I've seen another monitor, it's an Asus one. It has the same specs as the Viewsonic one, but it's priced at a higher price. It's 18,000 and the Viewsonic one was 15,000. Since I didn't have that much budget, I've decided to go with the Viewsonic one. Setup was pretty easy. Just have to go to your display settings and set the proper refresh rate for your monitor. In my case, it's supposed to be a 144Hz monitor. In default, it's set it on 60Hz. So if you don't set the proper refresh rate for your monitor, your games will still be playing on 60Hz and you won't be seeing any difference. It took me time getting used to playing on a 27-inch monitor in front of me. I was used to having a 24-inch monitor where you can see the map without rolling your eyes. Having a 27-inch monitor is a huge difference for me. Here comes the dragon. I'm going to kill them both. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yes, perfectly. As you can see here, the camera is a little up, but I can still be seen by that. The best settings for me is going on settings and you have to go on about I think it's color adjust. Go down into color temperature and select cool. That's the best settings for me. And the brightness, max it up to 100. I'm sure you'll like these settings as well since I like it and I have sensitive eyes. You can also adjust it whether you're a gamer or not. You can set it at FPS, RTS, MOBA, and any movie, web text, and anything. It's just going to set the brightness to a different level. I don't need that. For me, the best settings is warm, 70% contrast, and 100% brightness. That's all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.